Sir, not visible properly.
Now it is visible properly.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, little bit.
Now it is properly visible. So here the directional derivative component of nabla phi in the direction of a vector A is equal to nabla phi dot unit vector A. That is called the directional derivative of the, some haziness is coming, na? Just a minute. Now is it visible properly?
No,
Hello?
sir. Blur.
अभी तो पूरा दिख रहा है. अभी जिनका ब्लर आ रहा है दैट इज द देयर नेटवर्क इशू. इज इट क्लियर नाउ ना? Here the directional derivative means the component of the nabla phi in the direction of a vector A is equal to nabla phi dot A by mod A, that is the unit vector along A. That is nabla phi dot unit vector, where A cap is the unit vector in the direction of A and known as the directional derivative of phi in the direction of A. But it is coming into the landscape, na?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, wait. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Now find the directional derivative of the scalar point function f of xyz is equal to x square plus xy plus z square at the point 1 minus 1 minus 1 in the direction of AB, where B has coordinate 3, 2, 1. Right? So we have to find out the directional derivative. So solution, we are going for the solution. Here f of xyz is given. Here f of xyz, that is given as x square plus xy plus z square. So nabla f is equal to I cap del del x plus j cap del del y plus k cap del del z. This into f means x square plus xy plus z square. Now it will be I cap into del x of x square plus xy plus z square plus j cap into del y of x square plus xy plus z square plus k cap into del z of x square plus xy plus z square. So that is equal to I cap del x of this means 2x plus y plus j cap into del y of this means on this part 0, this part 0, only here x will be coming plus k cap into del z of this means only last part will be given the result 2z and first two part is given 0. So 2z. So nabla f at the point, which point is given here? Point is given as
1 minus 1 minus 1.
1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1. So I cap into 2, x means 1 plus y means minus 1 plus j cap into x means 1 plus k cap into 2 into z means minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1, that is I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. This is the value of this. I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. Now we have to find out along the AB. AB means position vector of B minus position vector of A. This is the value. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B was it is given that 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 minus position vector of A. Position vector of A means 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now it can be written that 3 minus 1, that is 2, 2 minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So it can be written that 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Right? This is the value of AB. Now unit vector along AB. So unit vector along AB. If we say that this is a vector M is vector M by mod of vector M, that is equal to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap by root over 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. That is 4, 4, 8 plus 9, 17. So 1 by root 17 into 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? So we are getting the unit vector. Now we have to find out this vector dot this unit vector. That will be the directional derivative. So the required directional derivative is, so the required directional derivative is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, sorry, minus 2k cap, minus 2k cap dot 1 by root 17 to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. So it will be given that 1 by root 17 will be taken common. Then it is I cap 1, 2, j cap 1, 3, k cap 1, that is minus 4 is equal to 1 by root 17. ठीक है? हेलो,
Hello. Yes, sir.
हाँ, okay. Then we are going for the next problem. So that is our directional derivative along the given part. Now we are taking another problem. Find the maximum range find the maximum rate of change, maximum rate of change of phi is equal to xy square, phi equal to given xy square plus x square y z square, x square y z square. At the point 1 1 minus 2, 1 1 minus 2. Look at the problem. Find the maximum rate of change of phi, where phi is given xy square plus x square y z square at the point this. So we are going for the solution. Here phi is given xy square plus x square y z square. So we have to find out the nabla phi. So nabla phi is equal to I cap del del x plus j cap del del y plus k cap del del z into phi means xy square plus x square y z square. So it will be given that I cap del del x of xy square plus x square y z square plus j cap into del del y of xy square plus x square y z square plus k cap into del del z of xy square plus x square y z square. Then with respect to x, I cap into with respect to x, it is y square plus 2xy z square plus j cap into with respect to y, it will be 2xy plus x square z square plus instead of k cap with respect to z, this part is 0. So 2x square y z, right? 2x square y z. Now the given point is 1 1 minus 2. So nabla phi at the point 1 1 minus 2, that is I cap into y means 1 1 square plus 2 into x means 1 y means 1, z means -2 square. This is I cap plus j cap into 2 into x means 1, y means 1 plus x square. X square means 1 square plus into z square. Z square means -2 square plus k cap into 2 into x square means 1 square, y square means 1, z means -2. Then it will be coming I cap into 1 into here 4 into 2, 8, 9. So 9 I cap plus here 2, here 4, 4 or 2, 6 j cap. 6 j cap. Here it is 2, 2 minus 4 k cap. Is it clear to everybody? Nebula phi at the point 1, 1 minus 2. It is given that I cap, j cap, this. Therefore, the maximum rate of change. So the maximum rate of change of phi at the point 1, 1 minus 2, that will be mod of nebula phi at 1, 1 minus 2. That is, what is the mod of nebula phi? That is 9 square plus 6 square plus minus 4 square. Right? This is the maximum rate of change. So for the maximum rate of change, as we are taking that the directional derivative, that means the rate of change of the given phi in the part of this. So we are taking that maximum rate of change, then we are find out the value of maximum value, that means the modular value of the vector.
सर
हाँ बोलो।
तो सर यहाँ पे पता कैसे
बोलो, बोलो।
चलेगा कि सर डाइवर्जेंस लेना या फिर ग्रेडियंट? सर
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
यहाँ पे पता कैसे चलेगा कि डाइवर्जेंस लेना या फिर ग्रेडियंट लेना?
actually you have to know the physical interpretation of divergence and gradient. Gradients means normal to the given surface, normal to the given surface. If it is given that for perpendicular any other thing, then we have to take that gradient, right? Gradient means the perpendicular to the normal surface, and for this maximum minimum value we have to take that this one, divergence. Clear?
Yes sir.
So you have to remember the physical phenomena of curl, gradient and divergence.
हेलो सर,
बोलो।
एट पॉइंट 1 1 -2 दिया हुआ सर, उसको कुछ काम नहीं है।
ये तो वहां से तो ये निकाला ना,
ओके सर,
ग्रेडियंट निकाला वहां से ही ना, नहीं तो उधर में एक्स वाई जेड दिया हुआ था। Now we are taking another example, which is very important.
Sir, one question for minimum rate of change.
Minimum
rate of change, sir.
देखते हैं। Now take another very popular problem for this directional derivative. Find the directional derivative of, find the directional derivative of f of x, y, z, that is given as x square y z, x square y z plus 4x z square at the point 1, 2, -1 in the direction of the vector 2 I cap minus j cap minus 2 k cap. Look at the problem. We have to find the directional derivative of f is a scalar function which is given at the point this in the direction of the vector this. So what we have to done? Someone please tell me. हम लोग को क्या करना है यहाँ पे? Hello. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what we
sir,
have to done
audible,
here? What we have to done here? We have to find out the directional derivative of the given scalar function x square yz plus point this in the direction of the vector is given. So at first we have to find out the divergence of the given scalar function f of x, y, z, and then we have to find out the unit vector for the given vector, in which direction we have to find out the unit vector. Then we have to take the dot product of this gradient and unit vector of this, isn't it? This is a simple procedure. This is the way to find out the directional derivative. In which direction vector is given, so we have to find out the unit vector along the given vector, and scalar function is given and point was also given. So we have to find out for the scalar function, if point is not given, then x, y, z will be occurred. So point is always given for the scalar function. So we have to find out the divergence of the scalar function at the given point, and we have to find out the unit vector for the given along the given direction of the vector. Then we have to take the dot product, isn't it? This is the simple rule to find out the directional derivative. Clear? What to do? So at first we have to find out the divergence of the given scalar function at the point this. Then we have to find out the unit vector for the given vector, direction vector. Then we have to take the dot product of these two. Then we got the result. That is the directional derivative. And directional derivative is a scalar quantity. So we got some magnitude. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So if of x, y, z is given, x, y, z, that is given that x square y z plus 4x z square. So we have to find out the gradient f, that is I cap del x plus j cap del y plus k cap del z of x square y z plus 4x z square. So I cap into del x of x square y z plus 4x z square plus j cap into del y of x square y z plus 4x z square plus k cap into del z of x square y z plus 4x z square. दिख रहा है? So it is given that I cap del del x of this means 2xyz plus 4z square plus j cap into del del y of this means x square z.
सर
Only yes,
सर बहुत हैजनेस हो रहा है.
बिजनेस हो रहा है अभी.
ठीक है.
ठीक है ना अभी?
यस सर.
Plus k cap into del del z of this, that means x square y plus 8 zx. Now nabla phi at the given point 1, 2, minus 1. That is I cap into 2, x means 1, y means 2, z means minus 1, plus 4 into z square, that is minus 1 square, plus j cap into x square z. X square z means 1 square into z means minus 1, plus k cap into x square y, that is 1 square into 2, plus 8 into zx. Z means minus 1, x means 1. That is I cap into minus 4 plus 4, 0 na? It will be given 0 plus j cap into minus 1 plus k cap into, that is 2 minus 8, that is minus 6. So it will be given that minus j cap minus 6 k cap. So it is coming as minus j cap minus 6 k cap. Some haziness is coming, na?
Sir,
So
video
we
is not
got
clear, sir.
From before 5 minutes only, sir. Haziness is coming. I was thinking that my network issue is there.
right now it is again coming clear. Actually network is up and down here. So the required directional derivative. So the required directional derivative is nabla phi dot this. Nabla phi was minus j cap minus 6 k cap into dot a. A means the mod of this vector. The given vector is 2i cap minus j cap minus 2k cap divided by root over 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 square is equal to minus j cap minus 6k cap dot. Here it is 4, 4, 8, 9. So 1/3. 1/3 into 2i cap minus j cap minus 2k cap. So 1/3 is coming here. Here I cap part is 0. J cap plus 1 and it is plus 12. So 13/3, which is the required result. आया अभी समझ में? तो जो वेक्टर दिया रहेगा जिसके अलोंग में हम लोग को डायरेक्शन करना है उसका यूनिट वेक्टर लेना होगा और इधर से हम लोग को डाइवर्जेंस लेना होगा जो स्केलर फंक्शन दिया हुआ है एट द पॉइंट दैट, then we have to take the dot product, that is the directional result of directional derivative. Is it clear to everybody? One question must be coming in your semester exam if it is held, right? It must be coming. One of the problem must be coming from this. सुनाई दे रहा है तुम लोग को?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we
हाँ
are
सर
going
ठीक है
for
सर, दिखा दे रहा हूँ।
और एक है प्रॉब्लम, लास्ट प्रॉब्लम। if the directional
हेलो
derivative,
सर।
हाँ
सर
बोलो बोलो।
एलएमएस नहीं खुल रहा सर।
एलएमएस खुल रहा है
नहीं खुल रहा सर।
ना? हमको भी नहीं खुल रहा है, सेम प्रॉब्लम। परसों
कैसे
से
क्या
ये
हुआ सर?
एलएमएस, हाँ
कैसे तब
पता
क्या
नहीं
करेंगे
है,
सर? नोट जमा करना था। हाँ सर।
पता नहीं है। और ये सिर्फ हम फोन किए हैं, सर बोल रहा है देख रहे हैं।
ओके सर।
तो हम लोग का अटेंडेंस कैसे होगा सर? तो
उनका क्या जरूरत है ज्यादा अटेंडेंस बनाना?
नहीं सर, क्लास
ज्यादा
करना
जरूरत है सर क्लास करना, अटेंडेंस जाए भाड़ में।
तो क्लास करो।
सर तो प्रीवियस क्लास का नोट्स भी तो नहीं मिला सर।
अभी नोट क्या है, देखो हम जो करा रहा है यही तो, इसका वीडियो हम
वही
यूट्यूब
सर,
में
तो क्वेश्चन जो कराया है ना पहले
हाँ
क्लास का,
हाँ
तो वो सारे
हाँ
क्वेश्चन एलएमएस पे
अच्छा
अपलोड करते तो हम लोग डाउनलोड कर देते।
ठीक है, कर देंगे। एलएमएस ठीक होने दो, कुछ इशू हुआ एलएमएस में, ठीक होने दो। ठीक है, होने के बाद हम कर देंगे।
ये सर
तो
नेटवर्क
मेरे
इशू के कारण तो सारा ब्लर ब्लर दिखता है, इसी कारण से अपलोड कर दीजिएगा तो अच्छा रहेगा सर।
एकदम हम यूट्यूब में ये वीडियो भी अपलोड कर देंगे, मेरे नेटवर्क इशू नहीं है। ठीक है।
ओके सर।
सर यूट्यूब में सब्सक्राइब कर दिए सर आपको।
तो नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा। एक्चुअली हम ये संडे में सब कुछ करेंगे। अभी
हाँ सर।
हमका बहुत ज्यादा क्लास है, इसलिए हम उधर में कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाए। Look at here, if the directional derivative of phi at the point this has a maximum magnitude 15 in the direction parallel to the line this. So parallel to the line this means the same direction will be coming here. So at first we have to find out the divergence of the given scalar function at the point 1 1 1, right? हम अभी टाइम बहुत कम है इसलिए हम शॉर्ट में कर देते हैं। So nabla phi at the point 1 1 1, it will be given that nabla phi at the point 1 1 1, so it will be given that, कैलकुलेशन तुम लोग बाद में कर लेना। ठीक है, हो पाएगा तो तुम लोगों से?
यस सर हो जाएगा।
यस सर।
प्लस बी प्लस
सर अटेंडेंस का क्या? सर अटेंडेंस नहीं बन पा रहा है एलएमएस पे।
हाँ अटेंडेंस दिया कहाँ मैं? So maximum magnitude is 15 in the direction of parallel to given line. So that is here देखो नीचे में क्या है गिवन लाइन, इसमें 2 होगा, -2, इसमें कुछ नहीं है तो 1 होगा। उसका होगा 2i कैप माइनस 2j कैप प्लस k कैप। तो इसका यूनिट वेक्टर लेंगे इज इक्वल टू सम m से। सो m कैप विल बी 2i कैप माइनस 2j कैप प्लस k कैप बाई root over 2 square plus 2 square plus 1, 4, 4, 8, 9. So 1/3 into 2i cap plus minus 2j cap plus k cap। ठीक है। so ये दोनों का जो डॉट प्रोडक्ट होगा ये दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट इक्वल टू 15, isn't it? So it will be given that this is the maximum part is given. So it will be coming that after 1/3 into 2 into, if we take that 2 into 2a plus c plus minus 2 into a plus 2b k, then it is plus b plus 2c. This is equal to 15. Then we got that 2a minus 3b plus 4c is equal to plus minus 45. As it is the direction is taken that, so plus minus is taken. Right. Also, we know that the directional derivative at 1, 1, 1 maximum direction is in the parallel to this is equal to lambda into some scalar. So we lambda into some scalar. Here some notes is required, but time is very short. Okay, left it. It will be given into the next day, right?
सर नोट्स
minute.
व्हाट्सएप में डाल दीजिएगा।